Hello guys, this is Clara. Welcome back to my sweet DIY. And today we are continuing with our beginner friendly crochet videos. I'm going to show you how to crochet the magic ring or magic circle. It's super simple, and once you get the hang of it, you will use it all the time. But don't worry if the magic ring isn't for you. I have some alternatives that I will show you in the next video. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Your support truly means the world to me. Okay, let's dive in. So I'm going to show you today how I crochet a magic ring or a magic circle. So you have to grab your starting tail around your index finger and have it on top of each other, forming a letter X, like so. Then you grab your hook and place it underneath the bottom yarn and then over the top. Then pull it and then twist it. Bring it up, and then you place the hook underneath your working yarn and pull it through the loop, and that forms the slip knot on your magic ring. And that's it. There you have your magic ring or magic circle